Cease and desist. The warning from Housing Minister Pearnel Jr. to those illicitly constructing houses on properties in St. Anne. The minister visited a few of these areas recently.
It must be the last day.
A stern warning from Housing Minister Pearnel Jr. to persons building houses on land illegally accessed. Some then go on to sell the property, a few with houses, to persons interested in owning a home. We're told a few parcels have gone for as little as $100,000 with no permits or municipal corporation approval. A trend, the minister says, is taking place in various areas across St. Anne. And where that isn't the case, the usual squatting persists. After the tour of areas such as Stony Hill and Mount Edgecombe, Mr. Charles met with some residents of the Bel Air community.
We have persons there that we have seen that are not title owners, that will not have security of tenure because you have now a movement from squatting or informal settlement being for poor people to now being for criminal rich people who are trying to come in and manipulate poor people, to bring their big excavators and backhoes to make road and clear land and then sell to poor people.
He says those residing around these informal developments must be concerned.
It will devalue your property, and also the unplanned developments that I am seeing are going to affect the water table. It is going to cause pollution going down into water sources that will impact the entire community.
Mr. Charles says the ministry will work with the Housing Agency of Jamaica HAJ to do an assessment of the areas and gauge what can be done for some of the persons to be regularized. He, however, advised that steps will be taken through the municipal corporation to prosecute the developers.
The goal of being here is to see how best we can work together to solve the problems and to define the pathway to have a sustainable community with the infrastructure that you need and the kind of protection that you need.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.